What's wrong with this guy? Can't he wait? He's honking constantly. Quite annoying. Now what? What did I do wrong?
Take a deep breath, Jannar. Take it easy. Listen to me, Jannar. Two things have happened because of your conditioned reaction. Look at yourself now. The stress, the anger. It's like you've injected poison in your own body, haven't you? And look at your children. They watched everything. This is how they will learn to react when they grow up.
Then what option do I have other than this?
You have a better option. Let me show you.
You again. Get aside, man.
Let me slow down. Maybe he's in a hurry. There might be an emergency for him. Let him go. Let him pass.